Final exam is coming. Hope you all have started preparation for your final exam. I have also started your revision from previous video. So we will start our revision. Let's start. In this video, I will explain you some programs and some output based questions also. Because this time you have not done that output questions properly. So you will continue that questions also, and you will do that question and program in your computer notebook. First program, write a class with name employee and basic as its data member. Find the gross pay to an employee for the following allowances and deduction. This program we have done earlier, but this is the revision so that you will prepare this program also. Use meaningful variable. This is dearness allowance 25% of basic, house rent allowance 15% of basic, provident fund 8.33% of basic, net pay basic plus dearness allowances plus house rent allowances, and gross pay net pay minus provident fund. That is the gross pay which you will get that employee after deducting provident fund, because provident fund will get after retirement. So first we will write the message, a program to calculate employee gross and net pay by using scanner class. 6 lines which are same. Import Java first, then class name employee pay, third line public static void main string args, fourth line then curly bracket scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in. These are the 6 lines are same in each and every program. Now first we want basic pay, so that this is int basic. String EMP number, this is the EMP number, EMP name, employee name. And in double we will take DA, because these are the divided by 100, so that it will be come in decimal, so that it will be taken double DA, HRA, PF and GP gross pay, NP net pay. Gross pay we don't know, so that this is 0, NP we don't know, so that it is also 0. First we will enter the employee basic pay. So enter the name and basic pay of an employee. Name data type in dot next line, and basic data type, because it is in integer form, basic is equal to in dot next int. Now curly bracket start. Now you will put the formula. First dearness allowance DA, we have taken DA is equal to basic into 25.0 divided by 100, because in Java expression we will write this type of expression in this form. HRA basic into 15.0 divided by 100. PF is equal to basic multiply 8.33 divided by 100. Now net pay NP is equal to BP plus DA plus HRA. We will write here. Now GP is equal to NP minus PF. That bracket we will close here. Now we will print. First we will print the name. System out println name of the employee is equal to plus EMPN, because we have stored that in the form of EMPN. System out println basic pay is equal to plus basic. System out println net pay is equal to plus NP. System out println gross pay is equal to plus GP. This is the to show that which type of, this is the mathematical question, so that I have taken name Rakesh Kumar, basic pay 50,000, net pay this, and gross pay will come after processing the formulas. DA like this it will come, HRA like this it will come, PF like this it will come, net pay is equal to all will plus, then gross pay is equal to net pay minus provident fund. This is the provident fund, so that the gross pay is 70,000, which will get after the DA, HRA and PF. Now next question. Write a program in Java to accept the name of an employee and his/her annual income. Pass the name and an annual income to a function. This is a text, string name int income, which display the name of the employee and income tax. First we will take this. Then this is the format, a program to calculate display income tax. Here we can do this question like this also. First we will take double text, because this question we have taken this text, string name and int which we have written in the question. Then now double text, because text will come in divided by 10 or 100, so that it will come 0.0 double form. Now we will put the formula. If income tax is less than and is equal to this, which are given in question, then tax is equal to this. If income tax is equal to this and tax will income this. We have not written 6 line here. By mistake I have not written, but you will write that 6 line also here. Now next condition, if income tax is greater than 5 lakh or income tax is less than and equal to 8 lakh, then tax will become 3400,000 plus income multiplied by 20%. If income tax is greater than 80,000, then 94,000 plus income multiplied by 30%. Then we will write these 6 lines we will write in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 line. We will write there. By mistake I have written here, but you will write in starting. Now return tax we will not write. We will write system out println enter name and income tax. The data type is this. Then tax. Then system out println income is equal to plus income and system out income tax plus tax it will come. Now next question. Write a program. This program we have done earlier also. Write a program to accept a set of 40 integers in single dimensional. Arrange the number in ascending order by using bubble sort technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line are same. Then we will write int t, int I for loop, j for loop and t for condition. Now when we are taking int for in array, so that time we will take int m, then blank is equal to new int the number which we are given in the question, 40 integers, so that we will write 40 here. You have done mistakes in this question paper, so that you will try to understand this. When you will declare the array element, you will declare like this. Now scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Now this is the loop to arrange these numbers. Curly bracket system out println enter number in the cell. Now you will enter the number in the cell, then write the data type, because we have entered array element, so that data type array will be coming here. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to 39, because 40 are there, so that we will take 39. Then this is curly bracket. This is the condition to arranging the element in ascending order by using bubble sort technique. First loop is, then next loop, j started 0, but j less than 39 minus 1, because I. Then in I first number will come, so that it will be minus by 39, then j plus plus. Now number will be arranging like this. Then condition, then curly bracket start if mj, this number, if mj is greater than mj plus 1, because j are plusing 1 1, j are storing here, so that j plus 1, then the condition t is equal to mj and mj is equal to mj plus 1. If mj is equal to mj plus 1 and t is equal to mj, then both are equal. Then next is mj plus 1 is equal to t. You will understand this. If t is equal to mj, but condition for that, if mj is greater than mj plus 1, then t is equal to mj and mj is equal to mj plus 1. If these both are the same, so that mj plus 1 is equal to t. If these are equal, curly bracket close, then system out println the number arranged in ascending order. Then you will arrange then mi will be printing here. This is the bubble sort. Now next is linear search technique. Here we have taken 20 numbers. Then we will search a number by the linear search technique. Now 6 lines are same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 line. Now int I for loop, k for condition and ns is the number search. Now we will write the array element like this, int m, then this is blank, then is equal to new int 20 element, because 20 different numbers are here, so that we will write 20. Then boolean p, because here we have written it returns true if found and false otherwise, so that boolean p we have taken for true or false value. Then curly bracket system out println, first we will enter the 20 number, then we will write the data type of the number, then one loop will be going to arrange the numbers. Then curly bracket close system out println. Now we will enter the number to be searched, then we will write the data type of that. Now condition, if mi equal number set. If that number present in the mi loop, then k became 1. If k became 1, then p is equal to true, means number is found. Then if p equal true, if p equal b means number will found in that, then system out print the number is present, otherwise the number is not present. Then 2 times curly bracket close. Now these are some questions which are based on the array and string. So first question, what do you following functions return? Suppose one string is vision and second string is 2020. And first is system out println x plus y, means we will plus these x plus y. Now it will become vision 2020 because s is equal to vision and y is equal to 2020. So that answer will be vision 2020. In second question, system out println x dot length. Here we will find the length of x string. X string is this. So that we will calculate the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that answer will be 6. Now second system out println x, system out println x dot char at 3. You will find the position which character is on 3. So here we will find 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will find I here. So that we will write the I because char at 3 position will be I. Now next question, system out println x dot equals y. Here you will find x is equal to y or not. This is vision and this is 2020. So that this is not equal to this. So answer will be false. When we will find equal, the answer will come in Boolean form, true or false. So that this is not true, so that it will be false. Same way, here S1, this is the first string computer world, this is the second string computer world. This is small letter, this is in capital letter. Here S3 computer, then word is in small letter. All are in small letter. S4, all numbers in small, all character in small letter. Now this is first system out println S1 plus equals plus S2 means S1 equals S2. Here you will find that this S1 is equal to X2. No, this is not equal. Numbers are same, but the case are different. And Java is a case sensitive language, so computer word and computer word. But this is first letter in capital letter and here first letter in capital letter, but all letters are in small case, but here all letters are in capital letters. So this is not equal, means answer will be false. Now next, S1 equals S3 means this S1 equal to S3. This is S1 equals S3. Here S1 equals S3 means this is also in computer word and this is also in computer word. By mistake I know this is capital W, means this will be the true. This will be the true. Now next, S1 equals S4. This S1 equal S4. This is false because these are the small and capital letter different. And now S1, here we will ignore case. S1 equal S4. We are here ignoring the case, means true, capital letters ignore, so that this will be true. Hope you all understood this. Now next question. This question I have given your preliminary exam also. Int m. Here m, the value 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the array elements. System out println m1 plus m2. Here you will find the m1 element plus m2 element. 0, we will start memory location from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that number are 4, but the memory location 0th position, 1, first position, second position and third position. M1 position, which character is 4 and M2 position 6. Then 4 plus 6 became 10. The answer will be 10. Now next question, same way. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the array element. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here A0 is equal to 23. In this question A0 is equal to 2, but here given A0 is equal to 23, so that you will take 23 in place of A0. You will not take 2. Now A3 is equal to A1. If you will find 0, 1, 2, 3, A3 is equal to 8, but it is equal to A1 value. A1 value is 4, so that A3 became 4. A0 became 23 and A3 became 4. Now C is equal to A0 plus A1. A0 23 plus A1 4 means 23 plus 4 is equal to 31. Answer will be 31. Now next question, int A, new int 5. Here 5 elements are here. A0, 4, A1, these elements are in the position. System out println A2 plus 1 means A2. Which element is on A2? 7. And A1, 8. 7 plus 8 became 15. 15 will be the answer. Same way, next question, give the output of the following statement. String X. These are the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are here, but when we will calculate, it will calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First, system out println X1. It is 0, X0, it is X1. So that answer will be Nokia. And X3 length, you will find the length of X3. X3 length 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is the 3. So that we will find the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer will be 8. Hope you all understood this. Now next question. Suppose we have taken string N1 is equal to 46. These are the number, but we are writing in double quote so that it will become a string. String N2 is equal to 64. In total, integer. First we will change these into integer parsing N1 and N2. Now system out println the sum of 46 and 64. Now it will changes in integer form, means it became into data type, so that 46 plus 64 became 110. Answer will be 110. If it will not change in integer form, then you will write 46 64. 46 64 you will write in the form of total. But here it will change into integer form, so that numbers you will take. Same way, boolean P, this is blue dot length is greater than blue j dot length. Now you will find it is true or false. If you will find blue j length, but this is in capital letter and this is in small letter. It has not given the condition that ignore the keys. If it will write ignore the case, then the answer will be true, because the ignore case, if this is not greater than 0, then next answer will become false. Same way, string str, this is the string information technology int p, and p is equal to str dot index of n. Now we will find the index of n, which is the position of n in this form 0, 1. And position is 1, so that answer will be 1, because n is on the 1 position. Now next question is string str1 information technology, str2 information technology. It is first letter is capital, but these all are in small letter. First is boolean p. You will find this answer in boolean p, means true or false. Str equals ignore case. Here you will ignoring the case str2, then you will find the answer p, because ignoring the case, so that both are the same. If you will ignore the case, both are the same, so answer will be true here. Hope you all understood this, students. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Practice these questions. You will write this question in your computer notebook also, and do the program which I have given, which I have explained